Welcome to Lesson 7, Air Traffic Services and Aerodrome Control. This video will cover the ATS framework, advisory methods, and emergency protocols. Air traffic services are built on a foundation of global uniformity, governed by ICAO Annex 11 and ICAO Doc 4444. The three core strands of ATS are Air Traffic Control Service, Flight Information Service, and Alerting Service. We begin with Air Traffic Control Service, or ATC. This section will cover its operational objectives and the division of air traffic control jurisdictions. The main objective of ATC is to ensure traffic efficiency, collision avoidance, and aircraft separation. The structural units include the Area Control Center for en-route control, Approach Control for arriving and departing traffic within terminal control areas, and Aerodrome Control for local maneuvers in the control zone. Next, we will look at the Flight Information Service, or FIS. We will cover advisory management, flight information regions, and technical limitations. The Flight Information Region, or FIR, is an advisory system. It delivers real-time weather, navigational warnings, and basic route information. The FIR extends vertically from the surface and may be serviced by an ATC center in controlled blocks or a Flight Information Center in open sections. Aerodrome Flight Information Service, AFIS, is used at smaller aerodromes. An AFIS operator provides runway availability and weather data. However, the pilot in command is entirely responsible for maintaining terrain, obstacle, and traffic separation. The standard information delivery scope of FIS includes relaying severe weather alerts and advising on navigation aid outages. Importantly, FIS traffic alerts are restricted as many FIC stations do not use radar and rely on voluntary pilot check-ins. Finally, we move to alerting and aerodrome control procedures, including emergency activation triggers, visual separation, and aerodrome departure data. The alerting service acts as an automatic safety net, activating search and rescue if an aircraft fails to report or declares an emergency. Pilots must never leave a frequency without advising the controller to avoid unnecessary, expensive SAR deployment. In control zones, an aerodrome controller can use reduced separation criteria, provided the tower maintains continuous visual sight and pilots confirm they can maintain separation. Controllers must issue timely descriptions of all essential local traffic. For departures, VFR aircraft need explicit tower permission before taxiing. Pilots must monitor ATIS broadcasts and log the information code. Tower rescue teams mobilize instantly if an accident occurs, structural integrity is compromised, a pilot requests assistance, or an aircraft fails to land within 5 minutes of the calculated time.